All right, so now we're going to talk about depreciation. Depreciation is basically the value that your asset loses over time. We want to make sure that we record that every year. So there are a few methods on how to do that, and I would highly suggest getting a bookkeeper or a tax accountant that knows what they're doing when it comes to this, because this does involve making journal entries, and a lot can go wrong very quickly. And basically, like I said in my previous video, in your asset column, all you want is your original price and your depreciation. So I'm going to show you an example of what that looks like and how you would normally record that. Okay, so here is the straight line method for depreciation. Basically, vehicles are considered useful for 5 years. So what you want to do is you take your full original amount, multiply that by the number of months, and divide that by 60. So starting off with, we're going to look at the original price right here, but then also the date that we got that in, which was March of 2022 and then December of 2022. So what we want to do is we want to multiply that by 9 because that's how many months we had it. And then we divide it by 60 because that's 5 years. So 5 times 12 months. Then you would get that amount right there, 5494. So then to just do it for the actual year, you take the original price, multiply it by 12, divide it by 60, you will get the price for that full year, which is 7,326. And you do that for the full 5 years. So I'm going to show you what that looks like in the actual journal entry. So you have your depreciation expense, and that is just going to be just a regular expense that you'll see on your profit and loss at the end of the year. It'll go under other expense, depreciation expense. And then the actual asset information, this depreciation here will actually be listed under the asset, and I'll show you where the two things are listed, but basically you want to balance that out. So you'll see on here there's depreciation and original cost, and then you'll see the actual full amount once you zoom out and look at it a little bit clearer. So there's a lot that can go into all of these things, such as assets, liabilities. If you ever want to learn more, or if you are actually needing help, then you can visit my website, www.themathmagicianservices.com. We can schedule a free consultation. I can walk you through a few things. And I also have a YouTube channel, so I will make more long-form content on there. But hopefully y'all will enjoy that.